Hi, my name is Brian Sims. I'm the creator of the Cabinet Refacing Veneer Cutting System. I've refaced a lot of cabinets before and thought there's got to be a quicker, more accurate way to do this. So that's why I developed this system, which includes an acrylic cutting template, a trim guide, and a roller. Let me show you how it works. We'll be using the acrylic cutting template and trim guide to reface this cabinet. One typical face frame dimension is 3 inches, so we'll start with that. Locate the 3-inch dimension on the acrylic cutting template, then place it down on the veneer and cut to length. Find the center mark on the template and transfer it to the veneer. Mark the center on the face frame, then simply line up the marks. The template is designed so when you cut the veneer, it's wide enough to wrap around the face frame. Now, we use the trim guide to cut the excess off the back of the face frame, using this notch right here. 1.5 inches is another typical width, so we'll locate that width on the acrylic template, put it on the veneer, and cut. Then locate the center mark again and transfer it to the veneer. The trim guide has a notch at 3/4 of an inch, making it easy to mark the center on the 1.5 inch face frame. That makes it easy to line up the center marks so you can place the veneer, trim it, and wrap it around the face frame. Then use the guide to trim off the excess. Finally, the top face frame. Locate that dimension on the acrylic template, place it on the veneer, and cut again. Then you'll center the veneer, trim it, and bend it around the face frame. The trim guide allows you to easily cut overlapping veneer so you get a nice tight fit.